Why Chabahar Port is India's masterstroke. This port can change India's future, but most people don't even know about it. Let me tell you why Chabahar Port is one of the India's smartest strategic moves ever. Listen carefully. Chabahar Port is located in southeastern Iran on the Gulf of Oman. And here's the biggest deal. It's the only Iranian port with direct access to the open sea. Now, why should India care? Because this port completely bypasses Pakistan. Yes, no Pakistan route needed. Pakistan has never allowed us to gain land access to Afghanistan and Central Asia. So India needed a backdoor route, and that's where Chabahar comes in. India invested in this port to connect India with Iran, Afghanistan and Central Asia without touching Pakistani territory. That alone makes it strategically priceless. India has signed an agreement with Iran which allows us to operate Shahid Beheshti terminal at Chabahar. Through this port, India has already sent humanitarian aid, wheat shipments and essential supplies to Afghanistan. When the world was struggling, India delivered. Now here's the bigger picture. Chabahar is a key part of India's vision to access Central Asia, Russia and Europe through the international north-south transport corridor. That means we can achieve faster trade with lower costs and more exports with stronger regional influence. This is how India plays long-term geopolitics. And let's not forget the China angle. China is developing Gwadar Port in Pakistan, just about 170 kilometers from Chabahar. Gwadar Port is a part of China's Belt and Road Initiative. So what did India do? India built its own strategic counter. Chabahar gives India a presence in the Indian Ocean region, a balance against Chinese influence, and a strong foothold near key global shipping routes. It's a quite smart and effective way. So remember this, Chabahar Port is not just a port. It's a strategic thinking for economic ambition and a geopolitical strength. It shows how India plans beyond headlines and builds influence brick by brick. If you didn't know this before, now you do. And if you are proud of India's global rise, like, share and follow for more real geopolitics. Thank you.